This is Seafood James, once again, talking about footwork and positioning and why positioning is king. If I had to start with any technique, it would be my footwork. Because at least with my footwork, I can run away or position myself to not get hit. So in Wing Chun, we talk about sensitivity. So the sensitivity that you hear about is the sensitivity of touch and knowing where your opponent is and how your opponent is moving on you or away from you. But another part of sensitivity is sensing. So sensitivity, the root word is sense. So you need to be able to sense how your opponent is moving, not just by touch. A lot of times when we're learning the technique, we focus so much on the hands and how to do the technique, and that we're not focused on the actual person that's moving. And a lot of times you can be defending and the person move up on you, and the person can be right up, you can be under the person, and you don't want that. So in Wing Chun is step away, make them pay. Opposite word, step, so you should always be moving. So when I talk about sensing the opponent, even without touching, you should be able to sense where your opponent is and how he's moving on you. So when I move, he's sensing. When he moves toward me, I can sense him. So a good drill for that is to just do what we're just doing without the hands, and just that. Just being able to sense the opponent and take the hands out of the equation. So in positioning and knowing where you are, there are 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 different positions, and that even accounts with your foot being outside, that leg inside, inside, outside. So you need to know where you are within this positioning. So a punch comes, I know that I'm here, or I'm here. I don't want to be directly in the center, because now you're dealing with 2 fists. So understanding position, even if I was inside this gate here, I would be here. So even if I'm dealing with this hand, when this punch comes, I know that it can't reach me because I know where I'm positioned at. Even if I'm here, I know that I'm positioned here. When this punch comes, I know that it can't reach me. So understand positioning, because positioning and footwork is king. So yeah, this is Seafood James. Once again, this is a quick tip, understanding that positioning and footwork is king.